An arrest to tell you about in the case of a woman found dead in Shawnee Park. 27-year-old Michael Bullock is now charged. Court records say that Bullock and the victim, Rachel Hughes, left a business on Bardstown Road together on Sunday before heading to the Shawnee Boat Ramp. Court records say the murder was caught on surveillance cameras and that Bullock shot 8 times as Hughes walked in front of him. Bullets hit her in the head, the back, and the neck. Police say Bullock drove off then in Hughes's car and then returned to the scene twice with another person, eventually moving her body into a wooded area where it was found. He now faces murder, robbery, abuse of a corpse, and other charges and is due in court tomorrow morning.